brush. So it's time to clean up the mess after your shave. So what I do, I just rinse it off gently, there, and then I let it sit here on the sink with half the, so it can air dry a little bit, and the water can run out. Then you have your shaving brush. There. Then you wring out most or all, and then you give it some gentle shakes while you're holding here. And then you take your, let's see, towel here, and you just wipe it or tap it or what you want. If you have a stand to put it in, you put it in there. But I don't have that. And you can also clean off the mess from your sink. So there. What I do after this, I just let it sit to dry a little bit. Then you take your razor and your blade. You take the blade out. You rinse it. I just put it on top of this one and let it dry. And then you can take your razor there, and you take your towel gently wipe it down. If it got lots of soap scum, you just use a dishwasher soap or regular soap like this, then it will come off. And I just gently wipe the inside of the doors and like that, and then I set it to dry a little bit like so. So that's basically it. Then I clean up the mess, put it back after it dried a little bit. Now I let it sit to dry for maybe half an hour, 2 hours or whatever. And then now it's time to take a picture of the shave if you're into that. Okay, I hope the video was helpful. Take care everybody, and may you all have solid shaves.